Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to the Analytics Dashboard to break down exactly what each of these metrics means so you can navigate this tool and make data-driven decisions for your wholesale business. When you first open the app, the top snapshot acts as an overview of your business for the last 30 days. It instantly shows your total B2B revenue, average order value, and number of active buyers. You'll also see any pending registration requests waiting for your approval right here. To dig into the details, just click View Full Analytics in the top right corner. Once we're in the full dashboard, let's look at the pricing performance section, and you'll know which pricing strategies generate the most revenue, how much margin is sacrificed to discounts. First, the Rule Revenue Leaderboard ranks your discount rules by the revenue they generate. It shows you which specific customer groups are performing the best. For example, you'll see the group Silver Wholesale tier. Next is the chart of discount cost versus revenue that helps you track your profit margins. Green bars show your net revenue earned, while orange bars show the discount amounts given away. It quickly reveals if you are sacrificing too much margin to secure sales. Volume tier adoption is also the chart if buyers are purchasing in bulk by breaking down orders across different quantity levels, so that you can use this data to decide if you need to adjust your minimum order requirements. Next, the Customer Insights section helps you figure out who your most valuable buyers are, which wholesale groups and individual accounts generate the most value. Customer Group Performance is the list of customer groups that breaks down activity by group. It shows how many members in each group are actively buying, along with the average order value they generate. Below that is the list of top B2B accounts where you can view your highest value accounts at a glance. This list tracks individual wholesale accounts, their total spend, and their last purchase date, so you can easily re-engage buyers who go quiet. Finally, the operational section helps you understand how smoothly your wholesale funnel is converting behind the scenes. How efficiently do registration forms convert into paying customers, and how many buyers use the quick order form? Registration funnel is to track the buyer's journey from their initial sign-up request to approval all the way to their first completed order. It highlights exactly where drop-offs occur so you can improve your onboarding. On the right-hand side is the quick order form adoption. This compares how many orders are placed using the quick order form versus the standard cart. If this percentage is low, you might want to make the quick order page more prominent on your storefront. And there you have it. As you can see, these metrics are designed to help your business to make a decision quickly. You're no longer just guessing. You finally have the exact data you need to optimize your discounts, nurture your best buyers, and grow your wholesale business. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on scaling your B2B store. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.